The 2010 Toyota Sienna XLE. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 23 miles per gallon. This Toyota features cruise control, a CD player, and tilt wheel. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include DVD entertainment system, third row seating, 7-passenger seating, navigation system, JBL premium sound, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Sears Imports, a Carfax Advantage dealer.